In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot forms to any website. We'll start right inside your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, open the top navigation and go to Marketing, then select Forms. This is where all your forms live. To create a new one, click Create Form. Next, choose the Form Editor option and hit Next. HubSpot will show a set of templates designed for common goals. Click. Use template on the one that best matches what you need, like a contact or newsletter form, and open it to begin customizing. Now that we've picked our template, let's fill it out with the details we need. You'll see fields for first name, last name, and email. These are your must-haves for any CRM. Click the email field and toggle on. Make this field required. You don't want to lead without a way to contact them. If you want to collect more information, look to the left sidebar. Let's say you want to add a phone number field. Just drag it from the sidebar and drop it into the form. You'll see the layout adjust instantly, but sometimes less is more. If you decide you don't actually want to ask for a phone number to keep your form short and high converting, hover over the field, click the delete icon, and it's gone. The form snaps back to its original layout. I'm happy with the basics here, first name, last name, and email, because they capture what I need to start a conversation without overwhelming the visitor. Tip: shorter forms tend to convert better, especially on mobile. When everything looks good, click Review and Update. This gives you one last chance to confirm field settings, follow-up options, and consent text. Then click Update to publish. After you've reviewed and updated your template, hit Update. A pop-up will appear confirming that your form is now live. You'll now see 3 ways to share your form: embed with HubSpot, get embed code, and copy a share link. Since we're adding this form directly to a website, select Get Embed Code. Simply click it, and your unique code snippet will appear. Copy that code. To place it on your site, paste the snippet into an HTML or embed block in your CMS or page builder, then publish your page. The live HubSpot form will load wherever you added the snippet. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And remember to test your form with a sample entry to confirm everything works.